Lenders are tightening mortgage lending standards and home loan approvals are becoming more difficult for many buyers. About 70% of mortgages approved this past year required buyers to have credit scores of at least 760, up 61% from 2019. Overall, the median credit score for borrowers was 786 at the end of 2020. This means that first time homebuyers may find it more challenging, and using the FHA loan products may be more likely for first time homebuyers. It's Friday, April 30th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. There are more homes on the market since last week's report. 133 are active. Only a scooch up. 39 homes were listed for sale. 40 homes are coming soon. 29 homes went under contract since last week. 28 are temporarily off the market. 31 homes moved to pending, and 33 homes sold over the past week. The highest price home to sell was in Sherwood Forest for $1,767,250. As for rentals, demand continues with the area having only 12 rentals, averaging $2,500 per month. Are you thinking about buying or selling? Be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guide in the navigation bar. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 30th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to one of our podcasts. And thanks again for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.